All right, today I'm going back to something I did a very long time ago. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So when I first got my tablet, I started kind of toying around with drawing, and so you can see I threw on this kind of Fink hillbilly hat on, and then I threw on this kind of half motorcycle helmet. And this character is based off of the kind of the Fink era of drawings and or art and the Weirdos artwork from an artist called Bill Campbell. They made models and model kits and figures and all sorts of stuff, but this was kind of my take on it. I've never really drawn one really well, so I figured I'd take a crack at it. So here we are. Probably saw the screen doing a lot of different weird things. That's because I was really kind of toying around with what this thing could do, and I was looking at it and thinking to myself, what? I have no idea what I was doing. So, and I still don't. So, but I've got it kind of dialed in to where I think I kind of know what to do for what I do. So kept it pretty simple. New Bomb Turks, check them out. Great band from Columbus, Ohio. One of my favorites. And yeah, look up the Weirdos, Bill Campbell. And there you go. Kept it simple. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you around. Thanks for hanging out. See ya.